What's up, guys? And today we're going to be making slime using glue, Gain, and baking soda solution. For the baking soda solution, we are using some warm water and some baking soda. The first thing that you're going to do is take your clear glue and you're going to pour it in in your Tupperware. Obviously, if you want to make a bigger slime, use more glue. But we want to make a smaller one, so we're using less glue. And we're also running out. And then we're going to take our baking soda solution, and we're going to pour just a little bit in. And then we're going to mix it up. As you can see, it's already forming slime. But if your slime is super sticky, you can add a little bit of Gain. Ours isn't super sticky, but I guess we'll add a little bit. Alright, so we have our Gain, and we're going to put it back in the container. And then I'm just going to add a little bit into the cap so I don't add too much. Okay, and then we're going to pour just a little bit in. That should be good. And guys, by the way, you don't want your clear slime to be like completely not sticky, but you don't want it to be like disgustingly sticky, because if it is, like, it won't make good clear slime. Okay. Well, that's all for the video, and here's the finished result. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty good. It's really clear. Okay, and that's all. See you next time. Bye.